Good afternoon, guys. So I'm here at Skirlington, so Unity Skirlington in East Yorkshire, on the East Yorkshire coast. And I wanted to have a little bit of a talk to you today about our guaranteed let agreement. So you can see here, earn up to £5,427 put towards your holiday home. So if I take you inside our Willoughby Ellerton, and I can explain all about our guaranteed let agreement. So if you come here quite often on holiday, or you've been thinking about caravan ownership for a little while, we offer a scheme where if you are going to use your caravan 15 weeks of the year, 15 weekends, or just not all of the time, we can actually rent it out for you. So we handle all the bookings, we do all of the advertising, and we are offering anyone that signs up with us 2 years of GLA. So you will get all of your rental money for the weeks you choose to rent out paid to you up front and in advance. So if you wanted to purchase this caravan, which is priced at $54,995 including this year's pitch fee, you could actually say to us, right, well, that's great, I want to rent it out for 10 weeks this year and 20 weeks next year, and we can add it up for you and say, right, okay, well, you've got about £12,000 in guaranteed let agreement that we can give you today. So we can take half of that off the price of the caravan, reducing it down to $49,995, and we can use the other half against your pitch fees for next year. So you've got sort of like a £5,000 reduction in the price of the caravan, and you also have all of your pitch fees next year paid. So you've got them included this year. So you're not looking to pay any pitch fees until like 2027. And then you can continue to let through us. So if, you're not going to use it all the time, but you want your own holiday home, you have got a lot of, you've got a bit of free time and you do want your own holiday home, join our guaranteed let agreement, guys. Come down, have a chat. We can tell you all about it, show you the figures, show you how it all works. And if you wanted to come and have a look at this, this is our Willoughby Ellerton. In my opinion, this works beautifully on the GLA. It's got a multimedia unit here. We've got an abundance of seating again. Nice big fridge freezer, Beko as well. Integrated microwave, very nice. Full size cooker with extraction hood as well. You've a nice area here for hanging your coats as you arrive into the lodge. And then if we go a little bit down, we can go into our first toilet area, which is actually your shower room. So you have a double aspect shower, heated towel rail, and obviously your basin. And then into here, this is your first twin room. So just really nice, spacious twin room. That's one. This is your second twin room. Now you have a separate toilet area here. So, if someone's showering and someone gets caught short, not a problem. And then really lovely master room. So we've got double wardrobe, nice big double bed, nice little dressing area there. There is a mirror that goes here as well. Some nice bedside tables. But yeah, this is a lovely, lovely family van, couple van, or van to let. If you wanted to come and have a look at this, or you wanted a park tour, or you just want to come down and have a coffee, you might already have a caravan here, come down and have a coffee with us anyway. My number is 078 6767 4308, or pop into the Skirlington sales office. We're there every day serving up coffees. We've got cold drinks as well. And yeah, it would be great to meet you. Thanks, guys.